the Clarence Fitzroy Bryan College, of which I'm an ex officio board member, has been carrying out a presidential search with the objective of finding the next president for our own community college here in St. Kitts and Nevis. We are delighted to welcome one of the finalists for the position in the person of Dr. Jacqueline Austin from Barbados. We would like to welcome you and hope that you are enjoying your brief stay. I can probably use the word sojourn here in the Federation. It is my pleasure to meet you in person, having participated in the video interview that we carried out a few months ago. We would like to acknowledge the hard work of the search committee headed by the Deputy Chair of the Board, Reverend Damien Hughes, or Governor Damien Hughes, as well as the Assistant Secretary in the Ministry of Education, Mr. Tom Buchanan, who is also a member of the Audit and Compliance Committee of the CFB College.
Dr. Jacqueline Austin, one of the candidates for the position of President at CFBC. I hold a master's degree in Training and Human Resource Management from the University of Leicester. I am a proud graduate as well from the University of the West Indies, Cave Hill campus, and my doctoral degree is from the University of Manchester in the UK, where I explored the question as to how we are preparing our human resources for the 21st century. How are we using our skill formation systems to really prepare people for the workforce? And when I say the workforce, the global workforce. We need to take a look at our TVET systems as well as our systems of education. Therefore, my vision for the institution is three-tiered. First, at the national level, education is about not filling a pail, as one philosopher said, but about lighting a fire. We must ignite that fire again in our education and training systems. And at the national level, we understand that education makes a contribution to the economy and to the gross domestic product. Therefore, this is an investment in future generations and in our youth. We must understand that we must preserve our social morals and the values that we hold dear as a nation. I'm very pleased to see that here in the Federation that you have taken the steps towards upgrading the skills of your people towards the 21st century. And this is truly exciting to see what is happening at the college as it relates to our national development here in the Federation. At the regional level, we are preparing our people for the CSME. That is the free movement of people across the Caribbean region. Therefore, we must ensure that they're equipped with the skills, the knowledge, and the competencies to compete in that market. And then the final tier, the third tier of my vision, is international. We must see that the world offers opportunity to our people. Opportunities to impact the challenges that the world faces in terms of climate change, global warming, poverty, amongst its other challenges. So I'm indeed excited to be here and to be considered for this position. I see it as a great opportunity to mold and develop our education and training systems.
Realizing your remarks, you made reference to the TVET part of our education system. Recently, the government of St. Kitts and Nevis did sign a contract with the CDB to fund our TVET program. A TVET council has been initiated, and so the work has actually begun. How do you see your position partnering with our TVET program?
I am quite excited by what I have seen here thus far, the vision of the Ministry of Education as it relates to technical vocational education and training. Our permanent secretary mentioned just a moment ago the establishment of the TVET Council, the establishment of the National Training Agency, and the proposed investment by the Caribbean Development Bank through the government of the Federation for the upgrade of the skills of the population. And this is indeed visionary. I say visionary because I have visited the department at the college, and it was indeed impressive to see the simulators, to see the advancement in technology and the level of technology that the students will be using. And I did mention to one of the tutors, the coordinators there, that I see the students of CFBC participating in World Skills that is coordinated in Germany, and also engaging in other competition and fora as it relates to skills development globally, not just in the region but globally. So I do commend you on the steps that you have taken to initiate this CARICOM-wide strategy, but you have indeed begun to move by leaps and bounds ahead of some counterparts in our region. So well done.